What's up, guys? Christina here. So I wanted to come on here and talk to you about some stuff that some people have been leaving in the comments about what the difference is between a hydraulic launch and an LSM launch. So picture this, right? You're strapped in to your seat and you're staring straight down a launch track. Your heart is pounding, and then in 3, 2, 1, and you're blasted off from 0 to 100 miles per hour. It is one of the most thrilling moments in theme park. I love launches. But have you ever wondered how you just got launched down that track? Well, today I think I'm going to try to break it down. The two most popular launches, which are the hydraulic launches and the LSM launches. So let's start with the hydraulic launch, the old school brutal force beast. Now, to picture how this works, think of you pulling back a massive heavy duty rubber band, as far as it can go, holding it tight, and then just letting it go. That snap, that is exactly what a hydraulic system does. Underneath the station are like these massive pumps that keep like hydraulic fluid under like extreme high pressure. And when it's time to go, a giant like valve flies open, releasing that high pressure oil to drive a mechanical cable and a catch car that physically hooks onto the train and violently yanks you down the track. Now, this is like that kick, it's like a into the chest, right? You feel it. There's no gradual pull. It's pure raw mechanical explosion. I think the problem with those is that it because everything is under like a massive physical stress, heat, friction. The hydraulic systems are high maintenance. They're high maintenance nightmares. They have thousands of moving parts that wear down like super fast, which leads to heavy downtimes. And I think that's why parks are starting to kind of, steadily starting to retire them. But that's my thought. Now, this brings us to the modern king of the track, and that's the LSM. If hydraulic launches are like a mechanical rubber band, LSMs are like pure magnetic magic. Think about playing with like these two big, strong, heavy duty refrigerator magnets on the desk. When you flip one, they instantly push away or snap together. A LSM or a linear synchronized motor uses that exact science on a massive scale. Powerful, permanent like magnets are mounted to the bottom of the train, and a series of like electromagnetic coils line the track. A high-speed computer system rapidly switches the electrical polarity of the track coils, creating like moving magnetic waves that literally pull and push the train forward. And I think here's the craziest part: there's like literally nothing physically touching the train. It floats on a magnetic wave. I think that's why it feels incredibly smooth, and you don't really feel that punch like you do with a hydraulic launch. I think the you don't have that same friction like you do on a hydraulic launch. That's why these last longer and there's less wear and tear. Plus, computers can program the LSM to do almost anything: launch you forward, launch you backward, or give you multiple boost zones anywhere along the ride. Um, but yeah, if you have any questions regarding, the LSMs or the hydraulics, or if you want me to do other videos like this, go ahead and, like and subscribe and leave a comment. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.